Alright guys, this is going to be a EDC sounds and smells video. I know it sounds weird, but I was just watching Cutlery Lover's channel and I thought it was kind of interesting, so yeah, I decided to do it. And just so you know, this is probably going to be one of the hardest ones you've ever done because my camera, my phone camera has really, really bad sound quality, so you might not even be able to hear some of this stuff. But alright, let's get started. First item. Alright, the first part of it, I'm going to do the two parts to it, and then, yeah. First part of it. Alright. Next part of it. Alright. That's the two parts of my keys. So was my keys shaking at first, and then the second part was, this is my method of carry for my keys. It's kind of stupid. I carry them outside of my pocket. Unless I'm in a place that I'm not used to being, like I'm kind of a higher risk environment, then I'll usually carry them in one of my cargo pockets. Yeah, so that's that. Alright, let's go to my next item. Alright, this one should be pretty easy. It's my Zippo. This is the $10 Walmart Zippo, but still great Zippo quality, reliability, works with all the same Zippo stuff. It's not going to be like some cheap thing that you can't interchange with other Zippo stuff. Even though I'm not even using a Zippo flint right there. I stole a flint out of a bake lighter, and it's lasted forever. I even broke it in half, so I have the other half of it still in the lighter, and it's just, this thing just keeps going. So, yeah, if you can't get Zippo flints for some reason, like if they don't stock them in your area, but they still sell Bic lighters, buy a Bic lighter, salvage the flint out of it. Watch a YouTube video how to do that. I might do one eventually, but for now, no. Alright, next thing, this one might be an easy one. I don't know. Depends on the sound quality. This probably isn't the best example just because of the way it works. It's my Gerber Obsidian. Yep. This is gonna, once I'm 16, this is gonna be my EDC knife. So I just got a couple months to go. And if you can hear that one, then I'm pretty sure a lot of you know this. And this represents two things. This is my iPod, and it represents my phone and my iPod, basically, just because I use them a lot. Alright, and then next item, the final item, probably one of the things I hear the most during the day. Yeah, music. I listen to a lot of music throughout my day. It's just who I am. I love playing music, listening to music, and making music. So, yeah, that's the sound smell of my EDC. Once again, I'll go through it all again. Keys, carabiner clip, Zippo, knife. Oops. Fail. And technology. Alright guys, thanks for watching. So mean to my iPod. But thanks for watching, guys. All of you that watch these videos, I really, really appreciate it. Welcome out of here.